today I'm going to show you how to make this cheesy broccoli rice. It makes a quick and easy, low carb, keto friendly side dish, or even just a beautiful bowl full. And I've written a blog post which I'll leave down below, which has the full recipe and step-by-step instructions too, so click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this easy recipe a try and what you think of it. For this recipe I am going to be using a whole head of broccoli, both the florets and the stem stalk. And if you want to, you could of course buy ready grated broccoli and buy broccoli rice, but it is super easy to make and so cheap to get a head of broccoli at the moment too, so that is what I'm going to be doing. And you can see, you just use a box grater, grate the broccoli. I've grated the stalk, started breaking a few of the florets off and just grating them, and you just end up with a plate full, or you can grate it over a bowl. You end up with a bowl full of broccoli rice. And once it's all grated, I will show you the next step. And there you go, it's all riced. I've grated the whole head of broccoli and all the stalk as well, and it's made a giant plate full of broccoli rice. So I've just got some butter melting frying pan behind me, and I just thought I'd chat you through the other ingredients we're using. I've got some soft cheese. This is the Aldi or Lidl, one of them, version of cream cheese, so use whichever you have that you like. I've got some fresh cream and mess in the background, and some grated cheese as well. So this is gonna all come together to make a creamy broccoli cheese rice dish. Yummy goodness. So the butter's melted in a frying pan. I've added in the broccoli, and I'm really just going to toss it around, add more butter as I go, just get the broccoli cooked through. It really doesn't need long at all because it's so finely grated that it just needs to kind of soften, maybe brown a tiny bit. I like to be really generous with the butter. Just keep adding more butter, let it melt in, mix through, get a really buttery, creamy mixture. Right, I'm happy with that. I'm now going to add on my cream cheese. Okay, I've added a couple of tablespoons of cream cheese in, poured over some cream, and we're going to give it all a mix through. The cream cheese and the cream together gives such a creamy, just beautiful thickened sauce. And in a sec I'm going to add in some grated cheese too. And finally I've added a generous handful of grated cheese. I'm going to give it a final mix through and just get that cheese melted. There we go, it's pretty much done. Look at the cheesy goodness. Oh wow, this is such an amazing keto friendly veggie dish. Oh, I'm just going to move it into a bowl now. And my cheesy broccoli rice is done. Look at it, it's so cheesy and delicious, and you can see it really just looks like rice, and it's so cheesy. So good. So that is the video for today for how to make cheesy broccoli rice. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this a try and what you think of it. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.